friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bone-in center cut pork chop in the air fryer. So here we need a bone-in pork chop. Seasonings, I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. You can use seasonings of your choice. And I also use a little bit of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, or you can just leave it out if you'd like. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to pour a little oil in a dish to use for brushing the pork. It's just, this is a pretty lean meat, so it browns better with oil. And I'm going to rub the pork chop with oil on both sides and also the seasonings. And then here I just have one pork chop. It is pretty big. You can also have two if it fits in your air fryer in a single layer. The cooking time and temperature remain the same. So I'm going to brush this pork chop with oil. And sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So now you can rub it with seasoning so it's more even. And flip it over and do the same thing with the other side. So I will brush it with oil. And I will sprinkle the seasonings. And now I'll rub it in so it's even. And now let's take the air fryer basket out of the air fryer and going to put the pork chop in the air fryer basket. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip the pork chop over. It already looks so good. And now let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the pork chop. Look at that, it looks amazing. So good. Now I recommend checking the internal temperature with the instant read thermometer. For pork, it should be at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest. So let me check. It's over 145, so it's fully cooked. So if yours is not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer, 400 degrees for an additional couple of minutes. So if it's cooked, let's remove it from the air fryer. And now before slicing, let it rest for 3 minutes. So now let's try this pork chop. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut a piece. So see, it's fully cooked. And let's try it. It tastes amazing, so juicy and tender. You're going to love making it in an air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melody Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!